Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You see working offline in the status bar, Act Now. First, confirm your internet is active so you don't chase the wrong problem. Once connected, open Outlook and go straight to the Send/Receive tab. You're looking for the Work Offline toggle, it's the fastest fix. Click it to restore online mode. Outlook will attempt to reconnect. Make sure to watch the status bar change and note any error text, because that guides the next corrective step. Once the simple toggle didn't stick, dive into Account Settings to find root causes. Open File, Account Settings, then review each account server name and connection status. Incorrect credentials or server names force offline mode. If you use Exchange, toggle Cached Exchange mode off and on to refresh the OSD file. Run the built-in repair on the account. It resynchronizes folders. If problems persist, create a new Outlook profile or rebuild the OSD/PSD, so corrupted local caches don't keep you offline. To finish, restart Outlook and then Windows so configuration changes fully apply. Manually click Send/Receive to verify messages flow. If still offline, inspect firewall, antivirus, proxy, or VPN settings that can block Outlook's ports. Ensure Windows updates and Office updates are installed, because patches fix connectivity bugs. If you still can't go online, recreate the Outlook profile or run the mic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.